everybody. Join me as I share some of the magical views that I soaked up this weekend when I was camping, as well as the last few weeks, and read the caption to kind of learn the sacred rhythm I discovered between solitude and connection that nature teaches us. Which is an amazing native wildflower that is so beneficial for butterflies, bees. It's so beautiful. And I loved how at the campfire, when I captured a few pictures, it looked like these magical fire creatures. Look at some of the pics. And the stars that night were absolutely dreamy. How's this on over in fields and St. Hildebrand's? Chickadees. So as I look around and I'm taking in different things like buckthorn that's invasive or great dogwood that feeds turkeys, I'm struck by the realization, which I've known, but to share with you all, that there is so much just waiting to be discovered if we open ourselves up, stay curious, get out of our head, look for wonder. So, wishing you all the best today.